Hey dolls, so I'm back. So today I'm going to be showing you this headband wig and how I did my baby hairs. For my baby hairs today, I used something new. I just wanted to tell y'all what it is because baby, I'm loving it. Not sponsored. Picked this up at the beauty supply store myself, and I've seen a lot of people talking about the Sweeties edge control, and this is by Kiss. So it's called the Edge Fixer Glued Max Hold, and I got the watermelon one. I just liked the container was like this teal color, and I like watermelon scent, so I was like, I'm gonna get that one. It has a little picture of her on here, and yes, this worked amazing. So as far as this hair goes, the hair is from Yolissa hair, and I do share everything that came inside of the box with y'all so y'all can know, you know, all of the stuff that it comes with, because it did come with quite a bit of goodies, which we all love free stuff. Also, the wig did come in a plastic bag, and this is a 26-inch wig, and I believe it is body wave. I do show you also how the wig looks naturally. The wave is nice. You could put it on and go if you want to, but I did go ahead and put some wand curls in my hair just to give it a little bit more body-yaddy and give me that vibe that I wanted. So yeah, super cute. If y'all want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Okay, dolls, so here's how the wig looks naturally. This is the natural wave of the hair. As you can see, it has a nice little wave to it, so it's cute. You can definitely throw it on and go. You don't have to put any curls in it or anything if you don't want to, but I wanted to add some curls in. So as you can see here, I've already put some hairspray on the hair, and then I'm just starting from the back and sectioning it off, and I'm going to be doing some wand curls on this hair. Really simple and easy. Y'all know how to do wand curls, but I just wanted to include a little bit of a clip of me doing it so you can see what size wand I'm using and all of that kind of stuff. So after I curl it, I just remove the wand from the hair and kind of let it cool in my hand for a second, and then drop the curl and on to the next one. So I'm just going to kind of show you me curling this back section because it's very repetitive. I did the same thing throughout the whole wig, and on the right side I curled it going towards the back, and on the left side I curled that going towards the back, if you know what I'm saying, where the hair would not be curled going upwards. It all was going to the back on each side of the head, if you know what I'm saying. So yeah, on one side you curl one way, and then the other side you curl the other way, but both of them are going to be styled going backwards. So this is how the curls look after I have curled the whole wig, and it's very pretty. I haven't combed it out or anything yet, so the curls are still locked in place. And then now here is how the wig is constructed. So this is the actual headband. It has Velcro, and then at the top you have 3 clips which can help keep your wig in place. And then also on the back part of the wig to hold it down, there are also 2 more clips to hold your wig into place. You can use the clips or not, or you can use some of them, or whatever you want to do. I just use the 1 clip at the top to hold my wig in place. So basically here I'm showing you that my hair was in its natural state, but I did blow dry it and flat iron just the top section. So now I'm going to be taking the Kiss Edge Fixer, the one that's by Sweetie, and I'm just going to start sectioning off my baby hairs and laying these babies down. And I'm using an edge brush, of course. So yeah, I did not flat iron my whole head. It's not necessary. I did just kind of blow dry my hair because this my hair is from a previous wig install, so I kind of just had washed out my hairline and blow dried it, and then I just flat ironed the front section of my hair only. Past the flat iron once, my little mini flat iron. The rest of my hair is still textured in the back and stuff. I did not flat iron my whole head. It is not necessary for this wig, but since the wig was straight, I did want my hair in the front to be straight so that it can look as natural as possible, because if the wig was curly, I would have left my hair in its natural state. If y'all know what I'm saying, I'm just trying to let you know you don't have to use a lot of heat or flat iron your whole head or anything like that to get this kind of look. So I'm just swooping my baby hairs one by one. You know how I do. So I like to do 2 and then do a sideburn. This is like my go-to baby hairs kind of look. Sometimes I'll do a little swoop in the middle, but this time I did it a little bit different in the middle. I did trim down my hair a little bit to give me that look that I wanted in the front, so that I would have like that little middle piece of baby hairs, which I will see. I didn't show me cutting it, but you'll see how it ended up looking or whatever. So on the sides, I'm just taking out some hair, and I'm going to use this piece for my sideburns. And in order to get the little curly Q going to the back kind of look that I like, I'm going to take my mini flat iron and just do a curl. So just a regular curl. You can use any mini flat iron that you have. It does work better, in my opinion, with a small flat iron versus the normal size. So then I just take some edge control, and then I just kind of swoop that backwards. And then the hair that's left at the bottom, you can kind of leave the curl to hang however you want it to, or you can kind of twist it up where it's going in like this kind of motion. Just whatever you want to do with your sideburns. So this is how one side looks completed, and that's the other side. And this edge control is bomb. I'm feeling it. And I did use it for several days, and I didn't get like that white flaky look. So I do like this edge control. So now you can see here in the middle how I have did the little middle section of baby hairs. Like I trimmed that down. Y'all don't have to do it, but I mean, it's just hair. I don't really care. It'll grow back. So yeah. So now I'm putting a little bit of oil in my hair because my scalp was a little bit dry, because like I said, I did already have a previous wig install, and I had just washed out the edge part to do this video. So I did add a little bit of oil into my hair, and then I'm just going to brush everything back into place. And this also just helps to moisturize your hair and give it a nice shine and everything like that. So it's not a lot of heat being applied to your natural hair or anything like that. So I think this is a nice, easy, protective style to do. So this is how it looks with my edges done. And my hair was just in a braid ponytail slick to the back. And as you can see, it's not even slicked down tight or anything, because I didn't actually have it in a ponytail holder. It was just braided, you know, to the back. Like it didn't have an actual ponytail holder holding it into place. So my hair is sticking up a bit, and I didn't use hairspray and stuff to like lay that down. So yeah, now I'm just applying the wig. As you can see, I did clip on one of the clips, and then after that I was going to use the other 2, but I decided to just go ahead and close those off and just use the headband. So I just clipped the one in the middle to kind of hold it into place where I wanted it at. And then I'm going to go ahead and take the straps of the headband and just tie those off in the back, and you just Velcro them together. So as you can see, I have the wig up pretty close, but later on in the video I will move it back. So it's personal preference, however you want it. If you want it further up or further back, you can do that. You can do this style with no baby hairs whatsoever and put the headband all the way to the front. It's just up to you, but I personally like these wigs with some baby hairs in the front because I feel like it just gives it more of a natural looking vibe. So now I decided that I'm going to put some layers in the hair. So I'm just taking it section by section, taking out a section on one side and going down, doing some layers to kind of face frame. And then I will continue to add layers into this hair. And as you can see, like to me, it just looks so much better with the layers. The layers give it body and more of a natural look than it being more wiggy looking with it one complete length. So after each section of layers that I cut, I do go back in and recurl it so that it can be curled nice and tight where I have cut the layers in. So I did one side, then I'm going to do the other side. Then I'm also going to cut some layers in the back and a little extra pieces anywhere where I just feel like I want to add some layers. I'm going to just cut those in and do, you know, another curl in that section. So I'm going to go ahead and speed it up because this is repetitive. I'm doing the same thing. I'm just cutting layers and curling. So yeah. So now we got the video going faster. So I'm just doing the same thing, cutting some layers and curling. Cutting some layers and curling. Really simple. You don't have to be a pro or anything to cut layers. It's really easy. You just kind of take the scissors and go in a downward motion and cut going down the hair, not just staying in one place and cutting it completely across. So really easy. I've done this plenty of times, and it just gives the hair a more full and pretty look. So this is how it looks with the layers cut. All right, so inside of the box I did get quite a bit of stuff, so I wanted to share everything that comes inside of the box. So I did get some lashes, and these are actually like mink lashes, and they are cute. So let me open it so y'all can see. So these are the lashes, and I would actually wear these lashes, so thumbs up for that. They put an elastic band in here. I don't know what you would use an elastic band for with a headband wig, but they put that in there. They also put some wig caps. You can still kind of like put the back end of your hair in a wig cap to kind of seal in your moisturizer or whatever, but I didn't do that. It came with this little card that tells you how to wash your wig and all of that kind of stuff. They also sent a bag to store your wig in afterwards so that you can throw the box out. And they also sent this, which I believe is one of those scarves to like tie your edges down. Let's see. Yes. So now I got two of these. Is it pink or red? I can't really tell, but yeah, they sent this and it says Yolissa on it. Super nice. I love that they included that. And then also they sent me a few different headbands just so I could like show y'all different looks with headbands. And I also grabbed a couple of my own headbands to show you how it would look. This is one of them, and it's just like a butterfly headband. It's kind of like small, and I got a big ass head, so I don't know about that, but that's that one. And then they also sent this one that's like a galaxy kind of print. Here is another one. This one is galaxy print also, but it's like darker colors than this one, as you can see. And then lastly, they sent this one, which is cheetah print, and this one I like the most because it has like the little knot in the middle. Like these are just plain, and it's gonna look kind of like this. Like you could totally wear it out like this and it looks like you have a black band on, but it's not giving me dressy vibes. So I would totally put a scarf wrapped around a different headband or something. I probably wouldn't wear it out like this, but if you just wanted a black headband on, you know, you could rock it like this and it would be fine. So I'm gonna try to put this on without ruining my hair. Let's see, I think I'll just clip it up. Okay. Yeah, we're not gonna try on all of them. I'm just gonna put them on and kind of show y'all how it would look. Okay, so this is the cheetah print one, and super cute. Like I like this one because it has the little extra detailing. So yeah, super cute. And then I'll just show you real quick how these would kind of look, because these look even tighter, and y'all, my head is big, so if you were to put this one, it will kind of give you this vibe. Well, a little bit back, but you know, this vibe. Or the butterfly one will give you this vibe. I don't really care for this one because the material is going to stretch out and give that white kind of look, because my head is big, so it's not going to really look black, you know. But then they have this one also, galaxy. I used to have a dress with this kind of print. So yeah, I like this headband the most that they included. And then you just kind of have to fix your hair to make sure that it's sitting right. But this is super cute, and I really like this one because you can put it with like a cute black outfits and make it real cute. So let me take this one off and show you some other ones, which I think are easier to apply than the headband that wraps all the way around. But also I do feel like that one is going to keep your wig even more secure. Like you're going to feel like your wig is even more being held in place, if you know what I'm saying, because it wraps all the way around. So here's another headband that I have, and it's just like a regular headband. So you could put any kind of headbands on that you want, and if you want it further back, then of course you can slide your wig back a little bit more, and just kind of cover that band. So this is how this one would look. And then the iconic, yeah, I gotta fix this now because I done messed up my freaking hair on the edges with that other headband. But another iconic look is like these kind of headbands right now. So of course you can take one of these and pop that baby on. Kind of pull this back a little bit so that it's not showing, and just set this joint on your head, and boom. I probably should pull my wig back a little bit. Clipped it only in the middle, just so that it would won't slide off. But yeah, the straps in the back do hold this wig pretty secure, because I did one day throw this on after I had shampooed my hair, and I didn't have time to do my hair, but I was going to lunch. I threw this on and I just used the straps. I didn't use the clips, and I put a hat on over it, and it held in place fine. Like it wasn't sliding or anything. So let's put this on again. Okay, so yeah, more like that where you can see a little bit. And so this is how it looks. Like, this is super cute. I really like it. I did add a couple of layers in. I do wish that the hair was naturally, you know, like layered, but it is a one length kind of wig, so you will have to go through and cut some layers if you want it to have a little bit more body. But I like that I can curl it and, you know, like put crimps in it, or one curl it, or whatever I want to do to give it a look, instead of it being, you know, just one particular thing. But yeah, super cute. And I love that I have my own edges out as well, so my hair line can breathe. It's not like a lace wig is on or anything like that. So I really like this wig. I think it's super cute, and it's easy to do and kind of like quick and simple, so you can do like a quick hairstyle and be out the door. So yeah, I like this a lot. So definitely check them out. I will link the info down below for you dolls, and if you have questions, leave them down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye dolls.